Nigga, that big trout. Nigga, that big trout. Represent, y'all. Just chilling out. You know what I'm talking about? Give me watch hours up. You did. Pop out, rock out. Play no game. Fire in the hole. What's up with it? What's up with it? What's up with it? Pop out. What it do? Hey, Cowboy Nation. Hey. Hey, let's get it. Represent your channel, represent, y'all. Get it. Hey, fired up, represent. What's up with it, y'all? Get it. Pop out. Represent. Hey. Nigga, big trap. Hey. Pop out, rock out, pop out. Playing no games, y'all. Trying to get this channel back popping. Do you dig? All my subscribers, y'all. We finna get it back rocking, y'all. No cow. Yeah, so. Oh, yeah, I thought when I get out. I mean, by the time to see where he's gonna make it up there to the job. He said he was still getting money, so I said, I'll just see you in the loop, so. Gotta get the kids.
But he coming for show?
Yeah, he said he can go to get the kids.
Oh, that's all.
Oh, yeah, I made sure I had that. Pop out. Oh, we got part. Oh, there go my boy. Say, you never know. I'm gonna pop out, huh? Pop out. Appreciate it, my boy. Christian's in the house, everybody. Represent. My boy on it. What's up with y'all to say, man? I'm waiting on this damn other. Damn thing slow. Internet is slow, y'all. What's up with it, my bro? How your day doing, my bro? Yeah, man, I'm trying to see if I want my next one, bro. I'm trying to see do I want to get that get my revolver collection going on, or do I want to get that badass Walter what that PDP or PPD, something like that. But say, bro, I'm on one of those, or I want that TH 10mm, bro. I'm trying to see which one I want to get. I'm trying to see, bro. That Taurus 10mm is man. That baby looks so nice, bro. So yeah, I'm trying to see which one I want to get next, bro. Jail is going down, bro. So I'm really confused. I want to get that 357 because I want to start up my, I'm talking about my damn collection of my